is Jamal Khan. Today we bring you a story which is based on two stories of today's Mumbai. So come, let's see. Oh wow, wonderful, wonderful. Today you are looking very beautiful.
Oh my, you are showering so much love.
Yes.
I think you have no intention to go to work.
Work will go on throughout the life. This lipstick is so harmful. It results in so many stomach problems.
How come? That too due to my lipstick?
Yes. And that too like this.
Oh come on. You have ruined my lipstick, see now.
Hey, everything is fine. Now come. My sweetheart, today you are looking very gorgeous.
You are also looking so handsome.
Really?
I'm really angry with you.
But why? What happened, dear?
Your love is just for 2 minutes.
Hey, now you know that I'm growing old.
I have been stuck in this cage since 3 months. You don't allow me to go somewhere and enjoy.
But you already have everything over here. TV, AC, you can order whatever you like, you can eat. And then I'm taking care of your family as well.
Can't
Isn't
this
it?
be possible that I can stay with you?
So aren't you here with me?
You there and I here. I don't want to stay like this. I want to stay with you.
Listen, now is not the right time for this. I have to go for an important meeting. Do you understand? So please see me off with a smile. Please. Hey, my love. Hey, what's wrong with you? Why don't you smile a bit? Please. Rashik and Rubina were fulfilling their needs. Rashik, even after crossing the age of 50, he was a rake person. He got Rubina with the power of his money, but not her love. Nor could he give her time. And using the opportunity of this situation, Rubina started meeting Sahil again, the one who Rubina was once dating in her life.
Hello?
Hello.
Where are you?
Yes, darling.
I have been trying to call you since long.
Since when, my love?
Since long, but your phone was not reachable. I was trying to call you for so long.
Hey, actually, I was busy. I was in some work. It's been a week since we met, but you are in my heart.
Yes, I very well know that I am in your heart. But when will you come? And do you remember that today is Thursday?
Yes, I remember. Why are you angry? Just give me 2 minutes. I'll be there. You just close your eyes and I'll be there. Promise, promise.
Okay, then see you. Bye.
Hello?
Where are you?
Hey, my love. I'm so sorry. I almost forgot to call you. Actually, I am a little stuck in my work here.
When will you be free then?
Actually, I have to be in the meeting. Listen, now tomorrow is Thursday, then it's Friday. After that, I'll spend the whole week with you.
I don't want to talk to you. You hardly care about me.
Hey, please don't say this, my love. Whatever I am doing, this is all for you. I'm putting all these efforts only for you. I've come here for a very important meeting with Mehta and Sons. Once the deal gets confirmed, I will take retirement and then I will take you for a world tour.
Leave it. You only give me false promises.
No, please don't say that.
Someone is at the door. I think the washerman. Let me give him the clothes.
Okay, you go and take care, okay?
Yes, I'll call you later. Okay? Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi. Come fast.
What happened?
Come in. Did anybody see you coming upstairs?
What would happen if anyone sees?
I just had a talk with Rasik. He's coming on Saturday.
Darling, you love but you're scared as well.
I feel scared losing you.
Nothing will happen to me. Nothing could happen to me. You just take care of yourself. Just see how you look. Are you even eating properly? That's it. Once I become a rich person, after that we will live our own life. I just need to get rich. So, are you going to stay like this the whole day or...
Not here. Let's go inside.
Chalo?
Come.
Rubina had no clue what storm was coming her way, and Sahil was living his dream love life without having any fear.
What happened?
Take me somewhere far away from here. I really get suffocated here. How long we will be meeting each other like this? We also have the right to live our life the way we want, the way the other people live. Don't we have the right to stay together and lead our life happily?
Darling, I would have taken you long back. But I am really stuck in my work. But once the work gets done, we will directly go so far that no one could find us. And we will do what we like.
Take me away from here as soon as possible.
Yes, of course. We will leave from here as soon as my work gets done. Promise. Okay?
Doorbell. Let me see who is there. Who can come at this time?
What happened?
Rasik.
How could Rashik come now? You told me that he will come after a week.
I have no idea. He is standing outside.
So now what I do? Where should I go?
Slowly. I have no idea how, but please leave from here.
Hey, but where should I go?
Speak slowly. He will hear.
Oh God. Where shall I go?
Go wherever, but please go. If he sees us together, we will be in great trouble. Please.
At least tell me that where should I hide?
You hide anywhere you want. You go to the bathroom. You go and hide there, please. If he sees us together, we will be in great problem. Please go and hide somewhere, please.
My love, today I am very happy. I'm very happy. Today I am so happy that I can't express it.
What is the matter? Why are you so happy today?
Remember the work that I went for, the contract of Mehta & Sons. We got that deal.
Oh wow, that's really great news.
Yes, of course. You are so lucky for me. After all, I have to fulfill your dream. I remember my words. I promised to take you for a world tour, and now I will take you for a world tour.
I'm really so happy.
But what happened to you? Why are you sweating so much?
Oh, I told you that I was sleeping and I was dreaming and suddenly the doorbell rang and so I came. I was so nervous.
But why are you looking as if you are scared? Did
Nothing
anyone
like
come
that.
over here?
What are you saying? Who else is here apart from me?
But why am I getting this feeling that there is someone with you in this house?
You are in illusion because you have just entered from somewhere in tension. You are blaming me for all this?
Huh? Whose shoes are those?
Those shoes, they are yours.
No.
You forgot,
No.
darling. This is those shoes which we bought before marriage. I think you don't remember.
These are not my shoes. Who's
Listen,
there?
Don't go
Who's
over
there?
there. Oh, listen, don't go over there, please.
You were saying that there is no one in the house, so why the bed is messed up and a man's
No.
clothes are lying there in the bed? Whose are those?
What are you saying? Nobody comes here beside you.
So whose clothes are they?
Try to understand. Those are your clothes.
Don't lie to me. Those are not my clothes. You get that? You are a characterless woman. I did everything possible for you. I always made sure that you stay happy, and I kept looking at your family. And you are giving me this in return? No, my love. No. You won't be in my life anymore.
No, don't say such things.
No, my love. You cannot stay in my life anymore. I will not leave you. I'll destroy you. I won't let you live. I will kill you.
No, please
Now I
forgive me.
can't let you live anymore.
Forgive me,
You will
please.
have to die.
Forgive me. No, please. Help.
Now no
help,
one is going to
help,
save you.
He is dead.
What the hell did he do? What did you do, Sahil? You took his life.
He was getting in the way.
What did you do, Sahil? Why did you do such a thing?
He was coming between us.
No.
You had problems with him, isn't it? That's why I took his life away.
But I didn't tell you to kill him. You did a terrible thing.
There's nothing wrong in this. Now stop shouting.
Right now, I'll call the
Listen.
police.
No need to call anyone.
No, No!
If I hadn't killed him, he was about to kill you. I had to kill him because of you.
But you are not supposed to kill him!
What wrong did I do? What wrong is it?
No!
I killed him because of you. He was torturing you, right?
I will call the police now!
Don't be so foolish. I have done this only for you.
But you are not supposed to do this!
He was coming between us.
No! I was trying to handle him! But you shouldn't have murdered him this way!
What wrong did I do?
No.
I did this for you. I did this for you. And in no case you're calling the police.
I will call police right
No,
now and tell
no,
them everything
no,
what
listen
you
to
did.
me. Listen, listen. No, no.
No, you have done wrong.
No,
You have
no,
done
no.
wrong.
Listen,
have
you
killed
won't
him.
call
You have
anyone.
murdered him. Sahil, try to understand. Let me call the police and tell them everything. We have made a very big mistake. And if we don't tell the police, we have to spend our whole life out of fear getting caught.
The police will put us behind bars. And then all that we thought. What all plans we made. We won't be able to stay happy, please understand. He's dead already.
Rather than living like this, we should inform the police. Whatever will happen, police will handle it. Let me call them. Let me see.
Listen,
1 minute, please.
just think once before you do what you're doing.
Yes, whatever I'm doing right. And whatever you did was wrong.
Do you think this is right?
Of course.
Go ahead, call.
Hello? Police station? My name is Rubina Sheikh. Yes.
Who is Rubina?
Me.
And who is he?
This is Sahil,
Sahil. How do you know him?
my boyfriend.
Boyfriend? You see that, Patil?
Yes, sir.
And who is he?
He is my husband.
Husband. Husband, wife, and him. Get that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Check and see what happened.
Yes, sir.
So, both of you killed him.
Sir, I want to say something. If he had not murdered him, he would have killed me.
Sir, I didn't kill him purposely.
Now you will tell me what happened. Patil, tell me, what do you think?
Sir, it seems he's been choked to death.
Okay, so you killed him with the help of this cloth.
Sir, actually he was choking me to death over here, and that time Sahil came from back and he choked him to death.
So you choked him.
Yes, sir, he was choked.
Patil, he seems to be rich.
Of course, very rich.
Okay, so did you two kill him for his money?
No,
No,
sir,
it's
not
not
at all.
about the
We
money.
didn't do anything for his wealth, sir. Sahil was just trying to save me.
Patil, make a testimony of the
Yes,
body.
sir.
Call the ambulance and send the body for post-mortem. And we will find out in the police station that you killed him or it happened in self-defense. Madam, take these two along with us. Now whatever happens, we'll see in the police station.
Sir, we...
Stay quiet. Let's go, Patil.
Come on now, move fast.
Come on, let's go.
Come on,
Take
move.
them.
Come.
Come
Hey,
on,
Yeah,
take them.
come on,
Take them
come
with
on.
you. Come on,
Come.
move.
move.
Come,
Don't stop, keep moving.
come.
There are some crimes in our society which are not caused because of situation but caused because of mentality. We don't understand what is wrong, but we need to understand that we should never keep any relation in our life hidden without taking the help of violence. We should try to fight against it. Rashik lost his life. Sahil and Rubina were sentenced to jail for 20 years. 3 lives who were looking for love in their life got destroyed. The intention behind showing you this story is that you don't get into any such relationship because of which your happy life never gets destroyed. So with this, I'll take your leave and I'll meet you next week with yet another story. Jai Hind.